So you're deciding between Ableton and Logic Pro X, two of the biggest DAWs in the game. Here's the short version. Ableton is built for creativity and live performance. Its session view lets you loop, experiment, and arrange ideas. Perfect for electronic producers, DJs, or anyone who likes building beats on the fly. It's also great for live shows since you can trigger samples, effects, and transition in real time. Logic Pro X, on the other hand, is a studio powerhouse. It's ideal for full songs, recording vocals, mixing, and mastering. It comes loaded with pro level stock plugins, instruments, and effects, all for a one time purchase that's way cheaper than Ableton's full version. The only catch: Logic's Mac only. So here's the quick rule: if you're producing electronic or experimental music and love performing live, go Ableton. But if you're a Mac user focused on songwriting, recording, or mixing finished tracks, Logic Pro X will give you the most value. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.